Here you see us in the Moke, the little mini Moke. This is a perfect car for the island life. And we have introduced that to our guests as well. We actually have 3 small Mokes that we rent out with our hotel. Hi, and this is Christian and Hedda here.
Hey.
We live in Nevis, and we have been living here since 2006.
We are from Norway, and we decided to get rid of the cold and move down to paradise. And it's been a pretty cool journey for us.
Very cool. We moved with our kids.
We fell in love with is that
So many activities, right?
absolutely, and it's still very untouched in many ways that you can't get in other places around the world.
Mm-hmm.
Seem more happy, they friendly, relaxed.
Very friendly, yes.
Right?
Yeah. And living on the beach. Who doesn't want to live on the beach? We wake up every morning and we look out at the Caribbean Sea, and the sun is almost all the time shining, and it just makes you happy. Moved here with kids who were 3 and 5 years old, and we didn't know like when do they start school here and so forth. But actually, it's built on the English school system. So at 3 and 5, they were invited to start school, and we were like, let's find a school. And we were lucky enough that a new school was opening the year that we were ready for the kids to start. And the journey started there, but then there was other schools that came along, and sometimes we even had homeschooling because we had some great teachers coming in from abroad. Overall, the kids have gone through, I think, 7 schools, and it has not hurt them at all, but they are now so, what do you call them? Cultural aware.
And independent. We were actually very surprised that since you go to school here in a small island, and how does this match up with when you get out in the world,
Right.
in other school systems. We have the daughter who went to high school in the States. Our son went to international baccalaureate study back in Norway.
And they could slide right in.
Yeah,
basically,
they had got what they needed, basically, of education here in Nevis.
Which is great.
And it proved itself that that was enough. They were up to standard, basically.
Thank you so much for coming to visit us.
Thank you. Bye.